this is going to be my grocery haul for October 10th, 2014. This is a trip to Walmart, and I'm going to have to kind of split this up because I can't fit everything on my table. Okay, so I got a lot of frozen stuff. I got 2 of the little Banquet pot pies, two of the like pizza pockets things, 2 things of the Banquet chicken nuggets and fries. It's just something quick for the boys. Thing of sour cream. I like this kind, so I wanted to get me one of those. Bryson didn't eat one of those. There's some more in the bag somewhere. Gallon of milk, breadsticks, Pringles, pizza sticks. The boys love those for snacks. I got this El Paso bold nacho cheese. The boys like the nacho cheese from Taco Bell, so I thought we would try that out one night. A snack pack, some organic spinach. I got some Domino brown sugar, and somebody's going to join us and pull everything off. Got some cheesy skillet Velveeta dinners. They had those on sale. I got the fudge dip chocolate chip granola bars. Braden really likes those. Some Cheez-It Colby. Oh, these are so good. Colby Jack cheese. Cheez-Its. I think I already said that, but anyways. I got a 6-pack of V8 V-Fusion Energy. Them are peach mango. Kettle cooked chips, and 2 things of sour cream and onion. Some mac and cheese goldfish for Bryson. I got 2 things of Diet Dr. Thunder's Mountain Lightning. Sorry, Bryson bumped his head on the table. A thing of Go-Gurts. This has melon berry and cotton candy. A thing of chewy cookies, fettuccine noodles, then turkey breast, a thing of Twix yogurt, banana nut bread, muffins. This is the lavender Purex, 100 loads. Baby, you're dumping stuff in the floor. Some berry crunch, cream pies, dishwashing liquid, 2 things of toilet paper, thing of Mountain Lightning canned Cokes, a 60 count size 6 diapers for Bryson, 2 things of juices. I have a bunch of parsley, green onions, razors, some vitamin C drops because we're getting sore throats with the sinus crud. Some notebook paper, extra virgin olive oil. Hold on, baby, I'll get it in just a second. I got some balsamic vinegar, our sandwich bread that Bryson seems to have been smashing. Don't smash it more. Okay, I got a thing of sandwich bags, aluminum foil, diaper rash medicine. There's the other thing of Bryson's thing, beech nut. He really likes those 2 flavors. I got garlic powder, Glade cashmere wood, dish soap. I got 2 things of great value disinfecting wipes. Are you wanting attention? You silly boy. I got 2 of these cashmere woods air fresheners, mac and cheese, and then I got a Chef Boyardee mini macro raviolis, 2 things of shampoo for the boys and my husband. I got keratin shampoo for me. I got this leave-in heat defense conditioner. My throat's starting to get scratchy. Some dried tomatoes, gum, Snuggle dryer sheets, Lysol. I needed to get some more measuring cups and spoon set because Bryson has got a hold of mine and I cannot find none of mine, so I need that for measuring my recipes. Soap, wipes. This is generic Aleve, tummy medicine. You silly boy. And then I found this. This is like a generic type thing, I guess, that Walmart has, and it's Eternity. This was on a half off thing. It was $4.50 and it was half off $4.50 for, so it was $2.25, and then it had a $1 off coupon, so like $1 something for that. Not bad. Okay, so I got 79 items and my total was $162.49, and I still have to make a trip to Aldi's and probably Publix. I'm not 100% positive if I'm going to have to stop at Publix, but more than likely I'm making a copycat recipe of the stick gorgonzola from Olive Garden. Are you going to get loud again? And I've got to still get gorgonzola, cheese, and heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese, real Parmesan cheese. I forgot that too, but I couldn't find the gorgonzola cheese at Walmart, so I may have to go to Publix to get that, and I forgot my heavy cream, so I've got to get those 3 items. I could probably get the other stuff at Aldi's, but I probably got to find the gorgonzola cheese at Publix. I'm not sure where I'm going to find that. If I can't, then I don't know what I'm going to do. And it's pouring down raining, Bryson, and we still got to get back out. But anyway, I hope y'all liked my grocery haul. I know it was chopped up and it was really crazy and not very organized, but it's very hard to do things with that goofball.
No?
You silly boy. See y'all later, and hit the like button if you like the grocery haul, and there's more to come. Tell everybody bye. Say bye. Say bye. You're like, who am I talking to? Bye.